Hello everyone, I am Madhura. You are watching MadhurasRecipe.com. Today I am making Khandeshi vangyache bharit. Khandesh is a northwestern part of Maharashtra and it is well known for its spicy cuisine. So for today's recipe, to make this vangyache bharit or mashed eggplant sabzi, we need to use this large green eggplant. And what I have done, basically I have roasted this whole eggplant onto stove top. After that's completely roasted, we need to peel out its skin and then mash it up. So here I have got this roasted and mashed eggplant ready over here. And next preparation we need to do is we need to dry roast some whole green chilies. So we'll start my heat over medium high heat. In that we'll add just a few drops of oil. That's it. And here I have 5 to 6 green chilies. So we'll put this up and we'll dry roast it until it changes its color and gets light brown spots all over this chili. Here I have roasted this green chilies for just about 5 minutes and they have got a little browning all over it. So we'll turn off the power, remove these green chilies into blender pot, and we'll go ahead and ground them coarsely. So here this green chili paste is all ready. Now next step is to add tempering. So we need to heat up just about a tablespoon of oil into a pan. That's it. And we'll temper this up with cumin seeds. Let them sizzle. After cumin seeds start to sizzle, next goes in raw peanuts, whole raw peanuts, and sliced dry coconut. And we'll go ahead and dry roast it for just about a minute or so. We don't need to change its color. After that's done, next we'll add in onion in that. So these are the whites of spring onion or scallions. Give that a mix. And we'll cook this up until this onion softens up a little bit. After 2 minutes of cooking, next we'll add in some garlic paste in this. Give that a mix. Cook this up for just about a minute. Then we'll add in this ground green chili. Mix. And then we'll add in lots of chopped spring onion. Mix that up and cook this up for 2 more minutes. And already smelling so good. And next we'll add in this roasted eggplant. Also add in salt and mix. And we'll cook this up for 4 to 5 more minutes. After 5 minutes of cooking, we'll finish this up with lots of finely chopped coriander leaves. Now, turn off the power, give it a mix. This type of delicious and spicy vangyache bharit goes very well with some Bhakri. In Khandesh, it is also served with some puris. So enjoy this spicy and tasty Khandeshi vangyache bharit. Please remember to subscribe us on our YouTube channel or on our website. Also do not forget to like us on our Facebook page and do share our recipes with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.